We divide 515 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So we put down this 1 and it is 11. 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. It is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 515 divided by 2 is 257 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.